Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Juliet Michael, your favorite motivational leadership, business, lifestyle, and entertainment coach. I'll be speaking today about one of my books, The 21 Exceptional Traits of Highly Successful Entrepreneurs. I actually wrote this book last year to make entrepreneurs know, hello, that welcome to my next video. I'll be speaking to you today about the 6 traits in my book, The 21 Exceptional Traits of Highly Successful Entrepreneurs, Insight into the Qualities of Wealthy Billionaires. And that trait is tenacity. Tenacity is you having the motivation to move your business to the next level. As an entrepreneur, there are so many challenges you would face, but your motivation to even start that business makes you tenacious. It makes you able to take your business from where it is, put everything you need to put together to where it is supposed to be in the first place. So, I would encourage you as an entrepreneur to be tenacious. I would encourage you to know and visualize that your business has diamonds in them. Every business is beautiful. It is how you see it that makes it scale up or brings it down at the end of the day. Believe in your business. Be tenacious enough, be daring enough to make your business go the extra mile. Go the extra mile for your business. And I'm sure you would not regret it. You would see that you have been able to build a brand that will outlive you and make you exceptional in the business space. I'm sure you want to know more about the tenacity traits. I will encourage you to buy a copy of my book, The 21 Exceptional Traits of Highly Successful Entrepreneurs, so you can read more and learn more. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.